video, I'm going to be sharing some marketing advice that is going to come as a shock. Delete your email subscribers. Hang on. There is a process and a strategy behind this, which I'm going to get to in a moment. More importantly, I'm going to be sharing a 3-part email series that you can use to re-engage those inactive subscribers. And what I mean by inactive is they haven't opened an email from you in the last 3 months. So just because some of your subscribers have totally ghosted you, that's not your permission to just go and delete them. I want you to work on re-engaging them and to winning them back as subscribers. There's still hope for your relationship with them. You might just need to give them a little reminder about why they subscribed in the first place. And that's where a re-engagement campaign comes in. And in a sec, I'll show you exactly the emails that I created to re-engage my subscribers again, some of those subscribers that have not opened an email in the last 3 months. But first, let me answer these 2 questions I know you have. Why should you even care about inactive subscribers? And why can't you just leave them be? Well, by keeping inactive subscribers on your list means that less of your audience that actually wants to hear from you will actually receive your content, because it's going to affect your deliverability and where your email lands in your subscribers' inbox. So because there's a group of people that are no longer opening your emails, that signifies to your email service provider as well as the email platforms that your subscribers use, like Gmail, that your content maybe isn't that great. But I know you've created amazing content. I know you've created content that is value packed and so useful to your subscribers. So we want to make sure more of those engaged subscribers are actually able to read your content and engage with your emails. So there's 3 goals for a re-engagement campaign. Subscribers open up your emails and connect with the content that you've sent them. Subscribers unsubscribe themselves, so they're no longer receiving your content because maybe they're not interested anymore, or they've served that problem that they originally reached out to you for. Or subscribers don't engage at all, which means that you're able to delete them. Now, this means a re-engagement campaign is going to reduce the size of your email list. So I know that can be really hard, especially as a small business that is working so hard to build your email list. Why would you want people to unsubscribe? Why would you want less people on your list? But like I said before, the more people that are on your list that aren't opening your emails, the less likely the people that are engaged are going to actually see your content. And at the end of the day, what's the point in sending content out to people that aren't going to open it? Alrighty, so let's get into what the sequence looks like. So it will look a little like this in your email service provider. I use Kajabi because Kajabi is a all-in-one platform for my website, my course, my templates, and my email marketing. It does everything. So if you're interested in trying Kajabi out, you can use my free trial link in the description below, but this might look a little different depending on what email service provider you're using. You can use this sequence for a service-based business or a product-based business. So email 1 is your "we miss you" email. So the whole point of this email is to recognize the fact that you've noticed that they haven't been opening your email. Your subject line is paramount here. It's really important to have a subject line that connects, that creates intrigue, that builds curiosity, that gets them to click open. A little humor goes a long way with these. So a couple of examples include "we miss you," "Kate, where are you?" "Are we gasp breaking up?" "You've been missing out." "Hey Kate, is it us or is it you?" So make it personal. Add in your subscriber's name into the subject line. This has the opportunity to increase your open rates. But also make sure your tone and personality come through on this one, because you want to really reflect what it is that is so valuable about your content and who you are as a brand. Keep it simple and to the point, but I also like to add an image of me because I am a personal brand, so I like to have a photo of me, and I feel like some people will recognize my face rather than my name. So they might be like, "Oh, that's right, I remember who this person is. I remember watching their YouTube videos. I remember following them on Instagram." But if you're a product-based business, a picture of your product would do nicely here. Email 2 is a special gift. So this might be a discount or some sort of freebie you can offer them. A discount is generally aimed at an e-commerce business. So maybe you can give them a voucher, a $20 voucher to get them back into your store so they can purchase something straight away. Whereas a freebie might be some value add that you can give give them that isn't available on your site already. So it's not your signature lead magnet that you're promoting everywhere. It's something different. It's something extra. So it might be something that you share with your students inside a course, or it might be something you give your clients when they work with you. Something that's super valuable and exclusive. Would not, however, offer anything that is one-on-one. So whether it's a one-on-one call or anything like that, because you may have hundreds of people sign up for that in literally a day. By promoting this special exclusive gift, then you're going to have greater cut through in the inbox, but also it's rewarding your subscriber for staying engaged. And email 3 is, this is bye-bye. So this is the last chance email your subscriber gets to stay on your list. So summarize what you sort of talked about, pull on those emotional heartstrings and remind them of this free value-packed freebie or discount that you're going to give them. And then at the bottom, give them the 2 options, I'll stay or I'll go. And that way they can choose whether they're going to stay on your list. So I recommend waiting about 3 days between each of these emails, and then waiting a further 7 days after that last email before you go in and delete those inactive subscribers. Because sometimes people get busy, sometimes people check a more of a marketing promotions type email inbox maybe once a week. So you want to make sure you're not deleting people off your list that are actually really interested in what it is you do. You also want to add in some automations around if they open the email or they click the email to ensure the tag inactive has been removed. So they're still going to remain on your list as an active subscriber. So I hope you found this one super useful for a re-engagement campaign. It's a really great one to use, especially if you haven't sent emails to your people in a long time. I know a lot of clients come to me and they're like, I haven't sent an email in like 6 months. A re-engagement campaign is a really great one to kick off with, because then you can start filtering out those people that aren't interested in what you do straight off the bat, and you're giving them that little reward as well if they are engaged in your content. So if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I release weekly videos on digital marketing strategies for creative entrepreneurs. So I'm all about making this content really simple and actionable and help you feel confident in the land of digital marketing. Well, that's it for me for today. So until next time, bye for now.